Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable silent mode on this device. The fastest and the most easiest way to mute your device is to press either volume up or volume down button on the right side of your Pixel 10 Pro, and then you can see that a volume slider appears on the right side of your device, and you want to tap on this icon right here and then select this icon that is crossed out, and you see calls and notifications will be muted. The same way you can disable silent mode like this. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.